Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains beautiful and elegant collection of floral hand embroidery designs. All of these very creative, unique, and at the same time giving a very 3D thick embroidery look are being shown to you. The basic purpose of sharing these very beautiful patterns of floral embroidery is unique in itself. But the usage and the type of termination is also unique in itself. One thing is that is you can use this very beautiful floral embroidery design as a all over embroidery pattern, as a heavy all over floral embroidery. And one thing, if you don't want to use it as an all over embroidery pattern for this flower, you can also use these very beautiful patterns of floral embroidery as an embroidery motif for embroidering onto the back of your shirt, as an embroidery motif, as embroidery motif onto your denim jackets, onto the pockets of your shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and even you can embroider these very beautiful patterns of floral embroidery onto your baby girl dresses like baby skirts, baby frocks, baby yokes, and even you can also embroider these very beautiful patterns of floral embroidery onto your sleeves. So the usage and idea of these is creative and vast in itself. I would recommend you to do try these patterns. And if you are an embroidery beginner and in search of easy, simple, creative and embroidery design patterns, then, guys, this video collection is an absolute treat for all of you. So, I would recommend you to do try these patterns. And in the comment section, let us know that which design you tried and what was the final output. And if you are unfortunately unable to find the best design or the design of your choice from our today's video, then no need to get disappointed. You can watch on my channel. I already have shared thousands of designs of hand embroidery by categorizing them into separate playlists. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, stay tuned.